Hi my clients, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maths for my clients by MKV. And those children who have not subscribed, please subscribe till now. So today I will explain assignment number 5. So those who were not able to do the questions, please understand and complete all the answers of all the questions given in assignment number 5. Still, if there is any doubt, please send me through WhatsApp so that I can help you in completing the work. So please come back to assignment number 5. So in your assignment number 5, the first question was, if the lines given by 5x plus 2y is equal to 10 and 20x plus ky is equal to 40 are intersecting each other at a point, then which of the following relations is true? So in this case, relation means conditions. So we have to check the conditions. So first equation is 5x plus 2y is equal to 10, 20x plus ky is equal to 40. These are the two equations. So from these two equations, we will find out the value of a1 upon a2, that is 5 upon 20 is equal to 1 by 4, and b1 upon b2, that is 2 upon k, and c1 upon c2 is 10 by 40, this will be equal to 1 by 4. So normally we are finding it after transferring all the terms to the left side. Still, if you will find out directly, then you will get the correct answer. So now we are observing that a1 upon a2 is equal to c1 upon c2. It means, as we know, three conditions are there. For unique solution, a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. And for infinite solution, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. And for no solution, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. So in this case, only the infinite many solution condition is possible. So we can write a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. So if we will apply this condition, we will get k is equal to 4. So in this case, condition of infinitely many solution is possible. So this relation is true for this, that it has infinite many solutions. So I hope you understood very well if you have gone through the conditions. Now you see question number 2. The second question was, Rohan's weight 10 km more than the Samir. Their combined weight is 90 kg. The weight of Samir is. So if we have to find out the weight of the Samir here. So because there are two people, one is Rohan, other one is Samir. So we will suppose their weight. So let the weight of Samir is x kilogram and weight of Rohan is y kilogram. So according to the question, Rohan's weight is 10 kg more than this. So Rohan weight is y. So y will be equal to 10 more than x. So y is equal to x plus 10. This is according to the question. So we will write it in standard form. So x minus y is equal to minus 10. So this is our first equation. And second equation is the combined weight means x plus y is equal to 90. This is our second equation. So below this second equation, we will write the first equation. And we are observing in these two equations, the coefficient of x is also equal and coefficient of y is also equal. But in case of y, opposite sign are there, and whenever there are opposite sign, we are adding the equations. So by adding, these coefficients will be cancelled and we will get x plus x is equal to 2x and 90 minus 10 is equal to 80. So x will be equal to 40 kg. Now by putting this value in equation number 2, x plus y is equal to 90. So in place of x, 40 plus y is equal to 90. So y is equal to 90, 40 will go to right side. So 90 minus 40 is equal to 50. So weight of Samir, that we have supposed as x, so it is equal to 40 kg, and weight of Rohan, that I supposed as y, so this is equal to 50 kg. So in this case, we want to find out the weight of Samir. So weight of Samir will be 40 kg. This will be the answer. Now question number 3. The course of an enemy submarine as plotted on a set of rectangular axes 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, and on the same axis the course of destroyer is indicated by x minus y is equal to 10. So this is the equation for destroyer and this is for enemy somewhere in. So this is your first equation, this and x minus y you will take as second equation. Now the point at which the submarine can be destroyed will be equal to the solution set of equation number 1 and 2. So we will try to find out the solution set of equation number 1 and 2. And to solve these two equations, we will use elimination by equating the coefficient method. So by that method, we will try to make the coefficient of x equal. Here the coefficient of x is 2, so we will multiply equation number 2 by 2. So equation number 2 multiplied by 2, so it will be 2x minus 2y is equal to 2 times 20. And below this we will write the first equation, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Here, because the sign of this 2x and this 2x both are positive, if they are having same sign we will subtract. To subtract, we will change the sign. After changing, we will get plus y is equal to 15. So we got the value of y, and this value of y we will put in equation number 2. Equation number 2 is x minus y is equal to 10. So x minus y, in place of y we will write 15 is equal to 10. 15 will go to the other side, and this will give us x is equal to 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. So the point at which the submarine can be destroyed will be equal to x, y, or 25, 15. Value of x is 25 and y is equal to 15. At this point, this submarine can be destroyed by the destroyer. Now you come to question number 4. Fourth question is, the cost of 3 apples and 2 guavas is 23 rupees, and that of 1 apple and 4 guavas is the same type is 21 rupees. What is the cost of 5 guavas? This we have to find out. So to find this, we will suppose the cost price of an apple and cost price of 1 guava. So let's CP of 1 apple. CP means cost price of 1 apple is equal to x rupees, and cost price of 1 guava is y rupees. Now according to question, because 3 apples, so cost of 3 apple will be 3x, and 2 guavas, so cost of 2 guavas will be 2y. So 3x plus 2y, the total cost is 23 rupees, so I am writing 23 rupees here. Now second equation we will frame from this, 1 apple, so 1x, and 4 guavas, so 4y. So 1x plus 4y, the total is equal to 21 rupees. So 21 rupees. Now to solve this, we will try to equate the coefficient of x. In the first equation, coefficient of x is 3. In the second equation, coefficient of x is 1. So if we will multiply equation number 2 by 3, the coefficient of x will be equal. So I am multiplying equation number 2 by 3. So 3x plus 3 4s are 12y is equal to 3 into 21 will be 63. This is equation number 3. Now equation number 1 we will write below this. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 23. Now because the sign of this 3x and this 3x both are positive, if we are having same sign, we are always subtracting the equation. So on subtraction we will change the sign. We will get 10y is equal to 40 and y is equal to 40 upon 10, that is equal to 4. Now this value of y we will put in equation number 2. So we will get x plus 4 into 4 is equal to 21. X is equal to 21 minus 16, that is 5. So now we got the value of x and y, but we want to find out cost of 5 guavas. So cost of 1 guava is y. So cost of 5 guavas is 5 into y. So 5 into y. Y value is 4. So 5 into 4, 20 rupees. The cost of 5 guavas will be 20 rupees. Now come to question number 5. The lines y is equal to 4x minus 10 and y is equal to 7x plus 11 intersect at. So we have to find out the point at which these two lines will intersect. So that point at which these two will intersect will be the solution set of these two equations. So we will find out the value of x and y, and that will give us the value of the point at which both the lines will intersect. So first of all, we will write first equation, y is equal to 4x minus 10 in the standard form. So it will be 4x minus y is equal to 10 after transferring the terms. Similarly, y is equal to 7x plus 11. This we can write 7x minus y is equal to minus 11. So this is our first equation, this is our second equation. We have written x in the beginning. Now, after this we are observing the coefficient of y in both the cases coefficient of y is same, that is -1, if coefficient is same and they are having same sign, then always we are subtracting. And to subtract, we will change the sign. So after subtraction, y will be cancelled and we will get -3x is equal to, here we will get 21. So x is equal to 21 upon -3, that is equal to -7. Now this value of x is equal to -7, we will put in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is this. So this is equal to this. So we will get y is equal to 4x minus 10. So 4 into, in place of x, -7 minus 10. So minus 28 minus 10, this will give us -38. So we got the value of y and we got the value of x. These two we will write in the form of coordinate. So lines will intersect at x, y, that is x is equal to -7 and y is -38. So at x is equal at -7 and -38, both the lines will intersect on a graph, if you will plot the graph of these two equations. Now come to question number 6. Question number 6 is, if one number is thrice of the other, so one number is 3 times of the other and their sum is 60, then the numbers are. So this is one word problem, we have to frame the equations. So here we are supposing let the numbers are x and y, and according to the question they are saying one number is 3 times of the other. So second number is y, so 3 times of y is 3y. So x is equal to 3y, this is according to the question. This 3y we will transfer to left side, so we will get x minus 3y is equal to 0. This is our first equation, and second equation we will get from this, their sum is 60, it means x plus y, the sum of these two numbers is equal to 60. So this is our second equation. Now in these two equations we will see the coefficients, because in all the questions maximum time we are using elimination by equating the coefficient method. So now by using that, here coefficients are same, so and they are of the same sign, so we will subtract. By subtracting, x will be cancelled and here we will get -4y is equal to -60. So y is equal to -60 upon -4, that is equal to 15. Now put this value of y in this equation, x is equal to 3y. So in place of y we will write 15. So 3 into 15 is equal to 45. This will give the value of x. So x is equal to 45 and y is equal to 15. So therefore numbers are, x means 15 and y means, sorry, x means 45 and y means 15. So numbers are 45 and 15. Their total is 60. So second condition satisfied. And the 45 is 3 times of 15. First condition is satisfied. So this answer is correct. Now come to question number 7. For simultaneous pair of linear equations x plus 7y is equal to 5 and x minus 7y is equal to -9, then the value of x plus y is, we want to find out the value of x plus y. So here first equation, x plus 7y is equal to 5 and x minus 7y is equal to -9. These are the two equations. I have given the numbers 1 and 2. In these two equations we are observing the coefficient of x are same and both are of the opposite same sign. So we will subtract the equations. This will give us 14y is equal to 14. So y is equal to 14 upon 14, it is equal to 1. So y we got 1 and this value we will put in equation number 2. So we will get x minus 7 into 2, 7 into 1, y is equal to 1, is equal to -9. So x is equal to -9, this 7 will go that side, so plus 7, so this will give you -2. So we got the value of x is equal to -2 and y is equal to 1. So x plus y, x means -2 and y is equal to plus 1, this will give us -1. So value of x plus y will be equal to -1. The questions are very easy and are of the same kind, so easily you can solve them. Now question number 8. Question number 8, there were two equations. First equation, if 3 into m minus n minus 8 into m plus n is equal to 7 and 2 into m plus n plus 5 into m minus n is equal to -65, then what is the value of m? So for this there are two ways. One is you can suppose m minus n as x, m plus y, n is equal to y, and by that you can simplify, and otherwise First of all, you simplify these two equations, write in standard form. So first equation, 3m minus n, this you will multiply, so you will get 3m minus 3n minus 8m minus plus minus 8n is equal to 7. You will combine like terms, so we will get minus 5m minus 11n is equal to 7, or by minus you will multiply, so you will get 5m plus 11n is equal to minus 7. This is the first equation. Similarly, we will simplify, we will copy the second equation and simplify this. So you will get 2m plus 2n plus 5m minus 5n is equal to minus 65. Collect the like terms, so 7m minus 3n is equal to minus 65. This is our second equation. Now, to solve these two equations, we will equate the coefficients. Suppose here we want to equate the coefficient of n. Here the coefficient of n is 11. Here the coefficient of n is minus 3. So if I multiply the first equation by 3, it will become 33 here. And if I multiply this equation by 11, it will become 33. So I multiply equation 1 by 3. So equation 1 is this. So 3 5s are 15m. 3 into 11, 33n is equal to minus 3 into 20, 3 into 7, 21. Now second equation multiplied by 11. So 11 7 is 77m. Minus 11 3 is 33n. Minus 11 into minus 65 is equal to minus 715. So after this we will add, because these coefficients are same but they are having opposite signs, so we will add the equations. This will give us 15m plus 77m. This will be equal to 92m is equal to minus 736, and m is equal to minus 736 upon 92. This will give us minus 184 upon 23. So here no need to find out the value of n, because in the question they want to find out the value of m only. So this is our answer. So m is equal to minus 184 upon 23. I hope you are understanding them carefully. Question number 9. It is also same type. The solution set of the system of equation 5 into 2w minus z is equal to 7w plus 1, and 3 into 3w plus z is equal to 5 in the bracket w minus z plus 12 is. We have to find out the solution set of these two equations. So first equation is 5 into 2w minus z is equal to 7w plus 1. So 5 to z 10w minus 5z is equal to 7w plus 1. Now 10w minus 7w minus 5z is equal to 1. Now this we will subtract, so we will get 3w minus 5z is equal to 1. This is our first equation after simplification. Now second equation. We will copy the equation 3 into 3w plus z is equal to 5 in the bracket w minus z plus 12. Now open the bracket, so we will get 3 into 3 9w plus 3z is equal to 5w minus 5z and 12 into 5 plus 60. Transfer all the like terms to one side, so 9w minus 5w plus 3z minus 5z is equal to 60. 9w minus 5w is equal to 4w, and 3z plus 5z is equal to 8z is equal to 60. These all the numbers are divisible by 4. So divide by 4, we will get w plus 2z is equal to 15. This is the simplified form of equation number 2. So we got equation number 1 and 2. Now again to solve these two, we will equate the coefficient. So here before w we are getting number 3. Here before w we are getting number 1. So if we will multiply this 1 by 3, these two coefficients will be equal. So I am multiplying equation number 2 by 3. So you will get 3w plus 3 to the 6z is equal to 3 into 15 is equal to 45. This is third equation, and below this I am writing the first equation 3w minus 5z is equal to 1. Now the coefficients are same, they are of the same sign, so we will subtract the equations, and after subtracting we will get 11z is equal to 44 and z is equal to 4. So we got the value of z, and after getting the value of z is equal to 4, this we will put in equation number 1. So 3w minus 5 into z in place of z4 is equal to 1. So 3w minus 20 is equal to 1. So 3w is equal to 1 plus 20, 21. So w is equal to 21 upon 3, that is 7. So solution set will be, first letter is w, so w comma z. So in place of x it is w, in place of y z. So w is 7, comma z is 4. So this is the solution set for these two equations. So here